The TSplus Universal Printer allows you to print documents from any PC or mobile device. Universal Printer versions. You can check which Universal Printer version is installed on the License tab of the Admin tool. Universal Printer Manager. Since the release of TSplus version 11.10, you can find the Universal Printer Manager tile on the Server tab of the Admin tool. The Universal Printer Manager contains all the required tools to install, uninstall, display, and handle the Universal Printer options. This tool enables administrators to help users with dynamic printing requirements. Information can be found at the top concerning the current Universal Printer status. You can check if the newest version, which uses GhostScript, is installed. You can see if the printer is ready, and you can verify that the printer is set to default. The buttons below allow you to install the old Universal Printer, CustPDF, which was used before TSplus version 9, install the new Universal Printer, GhostScript, which is more stable and has more printing format support. You can remove the Universal Printer or set it as the default printer. View Printer opens a window where you can check status, pause, resume, or cancel your print job. You can also set your printing preferences and properties here. Universal Printer Properties. Universal Printer Properties opens this window, where you can see all the printing properties. After the General tab, there are tabs for Sharing, Ports, Advanced, Color Management, Security, and Device Settings. On the Printer Manager tile, you can set the paper size for printing to A4 or letter. Printing with the Universal Printer. When selecting this printer, the document to print is automatically converted into a PDF file. This file is pushed to the user's workstation, then opened by their default PDF reader. Each print job is opened as soon as it's ready on the user's local disk, without waiting for the previous Acrobat preview to be closed. The printing process only starts once the PDF is fully created on the client side, which guarantees the print job starts without delay. You can choose from 3 printing options in the Local Resources tab of the Portable Client Generator. Local PDF Reader Preview. The document will be pushed and the local Acrobat reader will open the generated PDF file. The user can print it or save a copy to his local disk drive. Print on the user's default printer. The document will be automatically pushed to the user's default printer. The local printing driver is included in the TSplus connection client. This is the best option for people who print a lot of the same types of documents on the same printer throughout the day. Select a local printer. The user can select one of his local printers. The local printing driver is included in the TSplus connection client. If you don't have a PDF reader installed on your machine, we recommend the use of Foxit Reader. If you want to have a specific page format and your printer is not compatible with printer redirection, you can set the Universal Printer page format by opening Control Panel, navigating to Printers, right-click on the Universal Printer, Printer Preferences, Advanced, GhostScript PDF Advanced Document Settings, Paper Output, Paper Size, PostScript Custom Page. Then click on Edit Customize Page Size and enter your preferred settings. This is especially helpful with some receipt and label printers. Printing with the standard RDP printer mapping feature. This is commonly used by remote desktop users and is equivalent to what you would have with Microsoft Terminal services. If you plan to use exotic printers, be sure to check the box for printers in the Local Resources tab of the Client Generator. Most of the time it will require that you install the same version of the printer drivers on both the client and the server in order for everything to work together properly. This means that if your server is Windows 2008 64-bit and your client computers are running Windows XP 32-bit, you'll need to install the 32-bit XP drivers on the server. Click on the Start menu, then on Devices and Printers. Click on any printer to display the Print Server Properties button at the top of the window. Once in the Print Server Properties, click on the Driver tab to manually add your client driver. You may also be able to directly install your printer drivers using information and drivers from the printer manufacturer's website. It's recommended that you check your hardware manual for an installation procedure in a terminal server environment. If you're using USB printers, make sure you've updated the RDP protocol of your client computer to RDP version 6 or above to ensure maximum compatibility with redirected printers. For the best results, it's recommended that you don't use USB printers. Compatibility and reliability are greatly improved when using COM or LPT printers. Some exotic printers, such as label or receipt printers, may not be suitable to be redirected in a TSplus session. You should always check with your hardware manufacturer for compatibility and installation procedures in an RDS or terminal server environment, which is very close to TSplus in this case.